Soundstripe.
Hi guys, welcome back to See Called Saturday. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and also the people who are watching and you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If this is content that you enjoy and you'd want to see more, give us a like. It really encourages us to continue shooting this more. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the outfits that I made in the month of July. We are right now in August. So the outfits that I made in July. I came across this video on YouTube and I thought it was interesting, someone showing the outfits that they made. So I decided I'm going to share with you guys, not all of them, some of them that I was able to get that I made in the month of July. A tip before we jump into the video, as a fashion designer, this is a skill. And a skill, you need to practice it. So the more you practice, the better you get at it. So just an advice and a tip to any inspiring or upcoming or even a person who's a fashion designer at the moment, even if you don't have clients, you can make outfits even for yourself or for your family members that you're going to get a small amount from, or just for yourself for practicing. So some of the pieces that I made here, and I'm going to go through them, I made them for practice. It is a skill and you need to practice. I was thinking about it like the people who watch football, people like Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi. These are people who practice. Yes, they're talented in football, but they spend most of their time practicing. Practicing because they get better at the skill. Someone else who would want to play football, but they don't practice it, they're not going to get to these levels and to the standards that Cristiano Ronaldo is at. So even you as a fashion designer, practice your skill. Practice, 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 and you get better with time. So let's jump into the outfits that I made. Also, I don't know if this is going to be a monthly thing because there are some months that I'm very busy and I don't get to make outfits for myself or for practice. The month that I have made outfits for myself or for practice, I am definitely going to share. So it's not going to be a monthly thing, but it is going to be random. I cannot promise which months, so randomly. Yes, so let's jump into the outfits that I made. So these outfits are in no particular order, but the first one for this video is this shirt. This shirt is from my new collection. If you're new here and you don't know, I run a business called Yao Apparel. You can follow us on Instagram when you're at it, and that is where you can also make your orders for anything that you see in this video that you're interested in. So this shirt is called the Uke shirt. Again, another tip as a fashion designer, before you put your products out in the market, you'll have to go through a process where you test them out so that you can see the wear, so that you can see how the material feels on your body, so that you can see how it washes. Maybe that material shades, maybe that material loses color if you wash it. So you have to go through that process to be able to know how you're going to advise your clients. So for this one, the features of this shirt that makes it different from other shirts is that one, it's not your ordinary shirt length, it's a little bit longer, but it is not also as long as the shirt dress. So that means you cannot wear it as a shirt dress. You'll have to wear it as a shirt. Also, despite the fact that it is longer, you can still tuck it in. That is another amazing feature. Another amazing feature is with the sleeves. So as you can see, the sleeves are not straight, the straight normal sleeves that blouses have, that shirts have. It's a little bit gathered over here at the shoulders. It's gathered because the sleeve is big. And then over here, we have the elastic that holds this material together, revealing the flare at the bottom of the sleeve. And this is a really good idea, and this is a really beautiful design. You can wear it on Friday during casual Friday at work. You can wear it when you're going to brunch, just pair it with shorts, or pair it with a skirt, or pair it with a dress and wear it on top. Yeah, you can wear it for very different occasions. Number two of this list of the outfits that I made in July, we have this skirt, and it is a mini draped skirt. So for this skirt, I was trying out the draped method because I have never made any outfit using the draped method. So as I said in earlier on, as a designer, you have to make some things for practice so that you can also know, in case a client wants this design, how are you going to go about it? And so this skirt is an example of an outfit that I made just for practice. So this here is the drape. This here is the drape, and I also made it with different fabric because this fabric was not enough and this fabric was also not enough. But since it's for practice, that is why I made it two different fabrics. I actually like this skirt. I actually like the fact that it is not your ordinary pencil skirt. It adds a little bit of sass over here with the skirt, which is really amazing, and it will make you stand out when you're wearing it to attend any function that you're attending. It will really make you stand out, and I really like it. The draped method can also be used when you're making a dress. It can also be used when you're making a trouser. And there are also different types of drape method. If it is something you're interested in, you can do more research on it. The third outfit that I made is this cropped blazer. It's a cropped blazer. It's not your ordinary blazer. It's cropped. And for me, I don't know about other people, but for me, it took me a while for me to get to know how to make jackets and blazers because it is a bit complex. So a jacket has a lot of pieces put together to form it. And I think that is the reason as to why it took me quite a while to know how to make a jacket. I saw it in the internet a lot and it really intrigued my interest, and I decided, why not? Let me go ahead and make it. And I love the outcome. I love it so much. I cannot wait to make it in different prints, to make it in different sizes and in different shapes. I can't wait to explore more on the cropped blazer. Last but certainly not least is this bodysuit. As you can see, the other pieces are made from Ankara fabric, which I love so much. But I came across this fabric as I was just walking through Nairobi Textile, is where I get some of the fabrics. And I saw this fabric and I could not take my eyes off it. I decided I'm going to get this fabric. If you're a designer, if you're a fashion designer, you should definitely know Kim Dave. There was a video that she did a tutorial on bodysuits. And I saw that and I said that I'm also going to try it out and do, because the first time I made a bodysuit was, I think, a year ago, and it did not turn out well. It did not go well. So when Kim Dev posted that video of a tutorial on how to make a bodysuit, I decided to jump on that and also to try out to see maybe things have changed since the last time I made that bodysuit. I also know the mistakes that I did last time and what I'm going to avoid when I'm making this time round. And I love how it turned out. I love this material so much. It is a stretch material. That is something that you should note. You cannot make a bodysuit with a material that is not stretch. Like, for example, you cannot make a bodysuit with cotton Ankara fabric because it does not stretch, and you need that stretch for a bodysuit. So for this bodysuit, I decided to switch it up and to make puff sleeves. I love, love, love statement sleeves. The rest of your outfit can be basic, but make statement sleeves. I love that so much. And so with this, I went for statement sleeves. As you can see, these sleeves are really big. And then the fact that this material is stretchy, it drapes very well on your arm. And down here, we have the cuff part that allows the rest of the sleeve to drape very well. Down here at the crotch area, I used the snap buttons to tie. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. I'd love to know in the comment section below which was your favorite piece from these outfits that I made from July. And I would also love to know if you'd want a tutorial of any of these outfits that I have showcased. You can also let me know in the comment section below and I will make a tutorial for you guys. If you'd like to purchase any of the pieces you've seen, send me a DM on Niao Apparel on Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And remember to share it with your friends. Till the next video, have yourself a lovely day or a lovely night or a lovely morning. Goodbye.
Yeah.